Hi there, my name is Nidhi and I was just hanging out with Emily and Olivia. Now these two are identical twins, but Emily was diagnosed with autism while Olivia wasn't. But they're identical twins, see? And they share 100% of their DNA, so how can that be? Well, there could be multiple explanations for this, but most scientists bet their money as epigenetics being the cause. But what exactly is epigenetics? Well, it's the study of heritable changes by means that don't involve changing your DNA's specific sequence of nucleotides. Here, think of these little butterflies as a sequence of nucleotides. If I were to switch around the order of some of these, this would be called a mutation, which is permanent. Think of epigenetic modifications as adding these new tags with specific information. In this case, the price of the butterfly.
Now the sequence is the same, but the butterflies are pretty different from when they started.
Oh, and epigenetic modifications are reversible, I might add. But let's take a closer look at two of the most common types of epigenetic modifications. Histone acetylation, which increases the expression of genes, and DNA methylation, which silences gene expression. These beads represent histone, which is a protein found in chromatin, and the purple thread is like your DNA. And right now, DNA is not that accessible, but with the addition of the acetyl group, the blue tag, everything becomes looser, and this allows for more transcription. Yay! Next, there's methylation. This process happens to the DNA itself rather than the histone, where the cytosine nucleotide, which is the green one, gets covalently bonded to the methyl groups, which inactivates the DNA and inhibits transcription. Okay, now that you understand what's happening at a molecular level, you might be wondering if there's a way to stop these changes from happening. And the short answer is, not really. These epigenetic modifications are happening inside us all the time. And majority of the time, they're harmless. But some epigenetic modifications have been linked to certain cancers and some neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's. But studies have shown that diet, exercise, psychological state, toxic chemicals, and even social interactions can have an effect on your epigenome. Remember that epigenetic modifications are heritable though, so the choices you make now have the potential to affect future generations to come. Now, there's so much that we don't know about the world of epigenetics, but there is a lot that we have figured out. And even though they might not seem so obvious, they're still very much present in our day-to-day lives. So don't forget them. Thanks for watching.